Okay, in this video I'm now going to show you the other option on how to add a payment method, and this time I'm going to show you how to use it via the bank. Now, in the other video I showed you the credit card method. This is for the bank method, and again, depending on what country you are in, it may differ because different banks have different features. Now, I'm setting this one up for myself with a UK bank, but the principles will be exactly the same. So what I'm going to do is just select the bank, and then it's just going to ask for my sort code and account number for now. So I'm just going to get them up. Now, when we add in our sort code in, what we need to do is don't put any hyphens or any underscores as your sort code may show up on your bank. All we need to do is just put the 6-digit sort code in from here. Of course, it may be different if you're in other countries. I've set this one up in the UK, so your details may be slightly different, but we don't have any dashes or underscores in the account there. So for me, I'm just putting my 6-digit in there, no spaces or anything, and then exactly the same as my account number. So I'm just going to copy that across there. So there's my sort code and bank number in. So all I'm going to do is select continue. So what we now need to do is, before you can use Coinbase, you'll need to send a small transaction to verify the ownership. So I'm going to do that now. So to verify your UK bank account, please send, it's telling us to send £2 to this following account here. So that's the reference number. So what I need to do now is just go and set up a recipient number. So now what I need to do is, using these details here, is log on to my bank account and then just send a transfer over with these details here. So what I now need to do is send all the details required here, and I need to send a payment of £2, as it's saying there, to these following details. So I'm just going to pause the video, and then I'm going to do that, and then when we come back, I'll just click that I've sent it. Okay, so that's the payment made, and all I simply did was log into my account. I added the recipient's name in as CB Payments Limited there. I've added the sort code and the account number, and that was the bank details there. So once I've done that, all I'm going to do now is just select I've sent it, and they're waiting for the deposit. Once the deposit is received in the account, 1 to 3 business days, we'll send an email as soon as your account is verified, and then all it simply is click OK. So all we need to do now is just wait for the email, and once you receive the email, you are then good to go. Okay, so you've now been shown how to set up using the credit card and in your bank details. Now, when we come back in the next video, we're going to start to show you how to start earning our free crypto.